Hi friends, welcome back to Open Ocean and hope you all are safe and enjoying your learning process at home. So let's again start our series Ek Kahani or without wasting much time. The story revolves around a dog and an elephant. It happened in the jungle that the dog and an elephant both got pregnant together at the same time. So 3 months down the line, the dog gave birth to 6 puppies, and again 6 months down the line she was again pregnant and she gave a birth to other dozen puppies, and this continued up to 18 months. Around 18 puppies she gave birth in 18 months, but elephant was still pregnant and did not give any birth to a elephant child. So this dog approached the elephant and asked, "Are you sure you are pregnant?" So the elephant, the female elephant, replied to the dog was something which we all must understand. She replied, "Hey dog, listen. What I am carrying is not a puppy. I am carrying an elephant. When it comes on the earth feels the bump. The world knows that an elephant is born. When it crosses the road, people stand to admire, not hit them by a stone or run away seeing them." So this is the difference we have. A dog gives birth to a puppy in 3 months, while an elephant in 2 years gives birth to one baby elephant. And in a life too, it happens. We see someone else getting what he or she might not deserve or would have deserved earlier than what we deserve. And we become jealous, envious of that person, or we start talking ill to ourselves or to others for us and for that person. So believe me, there is a right time for everybody. When your time will come, the impact will be felt by the world, not by only us or the person himself. So as a leader, as a person, as a human, we should wait for the right time. We should not rush that he or she got something which I might deserve and start complaining. This is what happens in our life. We start complaining too much that we forget our strength, our capabilities, our essential possibilities which we can do. So just focus, hold on, your time will come. Just keep practicing, keep holding your strength, keep putting yourself at the right place at the right time, and the things will happen itself. Because self-belief is the most important remedy of any disease. Yes. So stay safe, have a great time, keep learning. Don't let this time pass without even building a one single habit which you wish to do from a longer time. And do become compassionate with everybody. Sit with everybody, with your family members, with your friends, with your colleagues. Help them grow. This is the time when you can do that, and stop complaining. Believe me, your time will come and you will see the difference when the world will feel, yes, it's you. Till then, stay safe, keep enjoying, keep watching, keep giving your love. See you once again with a short story or a narration related to life and a message.